right, guys. So the Ministry of Health is reporting 2 more confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Jamaica, pushing the tally today, as of now, to 65. The latest cases, a 21-year-old St. Catherine female whose case is under investigation, and a 50-year-old female from St. James who traveled from New York recently. I saw it on the Gleaner's Instagram page about it being under investigation, 21-year-old. And I think what this brings to mind and to the forefront is that we need to stop this, oh, young people are not at risk kind of vibe. It's not true. It's not true. We are as much at risk as anybody else. So that's what it brought to mind for me. You don't laugh?
No, I'm not laughing. It's just, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, everyone is at risk. You look at the cases in the States, you look at the cases in Italy, young people are dying, old people are dying, everyone is dying. The disease, the virus doesn't discriminate. And as best as we can do to stay safe, we have to. It's just scary though.
Yeah,
because I want to go outside and do stuff with my friends.
You wanna? That's what's bugging you. You wanna go outside and do stuff with
your friends. Yeah. I mean, it's
sound
good
like
to be
my
outside.
daughter. I wanna go outside and do stuff with my friends. Mommy, I wanna go outside and do stuff with my friends.
Yeah, that's how I feel. It's like, I mean, I get to go outside because I got work and all that thing, but where are my friends? Yeah.
Hush.
I have to sit on 6 feet, or you know.
Yeah, but here's the thing. For now, this is our new normal, and we just have to work with it because, truth be told, if we don't, we're putting a lot more people at risk than we need to.
Yeah, indeed.
So I could just do it now.
Of course.
Yeah.
All right, so after the last press conference, you know that the Prime Minister has introduced tighter curfews and other restrictions, including effectively closing down all festivities during the Easter weekend. The curfew took effect yesterday from 3 p.m. to 7 a.m. and continues to Monday. Starting next Tuesday, the night curfews will commence at 9 p.m. until 5 a.m. as opposed to 8 p.m. to 6.
So I get 2 extra hours.
Is it 2?
Yeah, because
1 to
8 and
9, yeah.
Oh,
okay.
no.
It's
6. You get it back because it... Oh, yeah 5.
5.
Like 2. Sounds right. You see, true, me not trust my maths.
Right now, you don't know what for trust me, I think.
For double check.
Right now, the maths thing, everything in my mind. Like, there's so many things happening in my head all at once. Because, you know, when you have work and you have friends to go par with, you get distracted. But no.
You get like a little respite.
Yeah.
You get a little breeze out.
Like...
See the breeze out there? Where I get breeze?
No, wait.
You feel breeze?
Strong fun.
Sorry, excuse me. I'm not a man, so I don't have to do that. no, mind your flash your breeze over here.
Yeah, but it's not even yesterday. I was on my way back into Kingston, and it was passenger half a tree at 2:45. I'm police officers. I'm saying, officer, when I do it, I say, you will stay and wait, no? And I see what I
go. You will see what you're doing out
But there are still a lot of people on the road. So it was difficult. It was a lot of difficulty for people getting home yesterday after leaving work, and some people still had work. It was difficult for them getting home because even on the news they showed Spanish Town, people were still trying to get home because vehicular services were pulled. So it's...
You know what I saw though? I saw this video on social media in a particular community where they were literally trying the patience of the police officers. Running up and down in the road until them hear the soldier, them or the police officers run around the corner and then everybody run. Guys, do not waste the time of the people who are putting their lives at risk for you. There is no point in doing that. The reason we have a curfew, the reason all of this is happening is to keep you safe. So if you don't run up and down and waste people them time and them same one get sick, then there's nobody to keep you safe and then the whole country go into turmoil.
You know what I think it is though, and this is just how I feel. I think because people feel the government has this under control compared to other countries that things are fine. And that's how I feel. And people are...
Oh, that's how you feel?
Yeah, and I think people are bored to the point where they'll do anything for entertainment. It's true.
Well,
that's how I
guess
feel.
what? When you go on the yard and join the party, have party tonight, go party on the yard Zoom. Look here, chill at home. It is hard, it's not easy, but why? I don't even know how to explain it to you now. And I will say something to you now before I even go any further. I have anxiety coming out of the house now, you know. It's like it's a serious thing for me. Every time I have to get out of my house, I literally go into a small panic.
How long do you think that's gonna last?
I don't know, and it might be everybody might be handling it differently. Oh gosh, everybody is handling the situation differently, and there's some people who are okay with it, and there's some people who are not.
Yeah.
And
Naturally.
whichever one you are, whatever it is that you feel, it's okay. You know, allow yourself to feel whatever it is you're feeling. But as there is a God, guys, don't take it lightly, and don't minimize what people who are suffering are
having
feeling.
a hard time with it.
Yeah. Wah! Catch him! Yeah, doing.
And the breeze.
Batman.
You must stay, sir.
At the,
At the breeze.
the masculine fan in where you just do a while ago. Masculine fan again.
No man, no, I'm blue number one.
All right, guys. Sorry,
We
me get
have one more.
Eh? Last one. The coast is clear for 84-year-old Solomon McFarlane. He's the Clarendon man who now lives in Manchester, England. He's successfully recovering from the deadly virus. So for all of you guys who were wondering, know that he's on the mend. Dwayne, why are you hiding under the umbrella? I don't even know what you're doing over there. Guys, it's one of those days, it's one of those mornings, but guess what? Oh, I was just saying now that we should go and party with Zoom, right?
Oh yeah, Zoom is...
But guess what? You not hear the drama with Zoom from the other day?
The Zoom bombing.
No! Our business is not safe!
Yeah, Zoom bombing.
Bombing?
Yeah,
Oh,
when
that's what
hackers take it.
I'm sorry. I'm so out of touch.
It's cool.
Explain.
No, it's when hackers access your information. So like when you have these Zoom meetings, they get into the servers, the Zoom servers, and them capture your information on it.
So guys,
Yeah.
careful what exactly you might be doing over there. It says that Zoom is not in the clear yet. First of all, we all know about it by now. Although the video conferencing app was founded in 2011 and opened to the public in 2013, it gained all of this popularity because, obviously, of its absence due to COVID-19. And now that most of us are working from home, ta-da, Zoom. The app has seen daily users jump from 10 million to a whopping 200 million. You know how much people that? 200 million people? But as we said, the app is facing security concerns and privacy issues and has now hired former Facebook security chief Alex Stamos as a member of its newly set security council. Just be careful what you do on Zoom. That's all I say. As long as it's not like private.
No, but then again, when you have these large corporations, say for instance, a bank, so to speak, and they have a meeting over
don't
Zoom,
do it via
and you
Zoom.
discuss financial matters.
You folks just let me know when you're not planning to
That's
look
the issue.
on Zoom so I cannot be there. God, that's not cute. Yeah, I like it. You can stay down. The vibe nice.
Yeah.
It's social distancing, physical distancing at its best. It keeps you over there and me over here. Thank you guys for letting us know how you always feel about our trending topics, and we'll ask you to continue doing that by going on to all our social media pages and letting us know exactly how you feel. You use Zoom? Let us know.
I want to go.